Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Amazfit BIP Max, and on this video, we are going to pair it with its support app, the Zepp application. On our previous video, we paired it with Zepp App on Android smartphone. This time, we'll pair it with our iPhone. So if you have the Amazfit BIP Max and you want to pair it with your iPhone or iOS platform, okay, so here's a video demo. If you have any questions regarding the pairing or the setup process, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and pair our Amazfit BIP Max with our iPhone or iOS platform. We have here the QR code. Okay, we also have here a pairing guide. As you can see here, download mobile app. Search for the Zepp app in a Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So we will not scan the QR code. We'll just go directly here on the App Store. Then we'll search the application, Zepp. Let's see. Zepp app. Search. And we have it here. Okay, so let's install or download the app and install it here on our iPhone. So tap on Get. Let's wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install it on our iPhone. Alright, so we are almost on 50% now, so let's wait. In just a few seconds or minutes, we'll have our Zepp app on our iPhone. So let's wait. So review metrics for your health. What are the features? Hybrid charge. Key metrics. Neatly summarize. And more. Okay, let's wait for the completion of download. It will automatically install it on our iPhone. So we'll have it here in just a few seconds. And as you can see, it's already installed. So let's now open the application. Tap on open. Zepp. Okay, so we will log in. We already have an account. So we'll log in here to continue pairing our smartwatch. Alright, so we have successfully logged in with our account. And now it is asking for our location. So allow the permission here. Zepp would like to send you notifications. And here it is asking again for the location. Okay, so we'll just select while using the app. Okay, Zepp would like to activate or use our Bluetooth. That's okay. Let's save our password here. Then let's check. Okay, we have our device here. Let's select our smartwatch. Okay, agree to the permission. We'd like to access our camera. Okay, we'll use the manual pairing. Okay, and we have it here, the BIP Max. Connecting to the device. Let's see if we can pair it here. And it's now asking for the Bluetooth pairing. Pair. We'll allow the notification. It's now pairing, as you can see here on the smartwatch. And and let's see. Hopefully it will have a successful pairing. Okay, let's wait. And what do we have here? Please continue to complete the setup on your phone. Okay, seems like we are already connected. Device initialization is complete. Next, enable calling AI contacts. Okay, so let's enable this one. Okay, enable calendar sync, enable, and okay. Select button position, left or right. You can use this one like this or like this. Okay, so we'll just put on the right. Next, then we'll leave it as it is. Next, and done. Let's see if we are paired. Yes, we are paired. It's now synchronizing with the data, and we are connected. So very easy to pair compared to other wearable. Okay, find device. Let's see. Okay, choose the text. Let's set up the smartwatch here. Skip. We'll skip the tour again, and we have it here. Okay, so everything works here. Device settings. Let's double check. Sound and vibration. Control center. Going back. We have notifications here. Allow notifications. Okay, you can disable some of the notifications here if you like. I'm looking here for the contacts. Phone, let's see. Frequently used contacts. Let's see if we can add one. Sam. Done. And I think that's it. Okay, let's see. Workout. And we have our phone. And we have it here. Okay, so everything works here. And we have properly set up our smartwatch with a support app on the iOS platform. Let's try to download one just to show you the process. Okay, then okay, what does it says? Okay, other applications are being installed, so it's still synchronizing or installing. Okay, so we have some app store here. I guess it is updating or installing it in our Amazfit BIP Max. Anyway, everything is set here. We are paired. We already added some contacts. Let's just wait to complete. And we'll add our new watch face to the smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup process, drop a comment below. And as you can see, very easy to pair. Just allow the permissions for the location as well as notifications. And that's it. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.